Guys, so for Christmas, my boyfriend got me the iPad Air. This is the 4th generation and it is the Wi-Fi only. It came with the 64 gigabytes. And for my first iPad, I was very excited. He got it in the color green. It also comes in other colors as well. The thing that I liked most about this iPad is that it comes with Touch ID, which it's pretty much just like a bigger version of my phone. So moving on to the box, I'll get to that later. It also comes with this charger, which is different from the other iPads. This is a USB-C charger, and thankfully Apple was nice enough to give us the block to go with it. Okay, so going back to that book I put aside earlier. Inside just has some instructions, the basics on how to turn it on, how to control the control center and the home screen. Also, it came with the Apple stickers that comes with most of the Apple products. And moving on to accessories that I got this Bluetooth keyboard from Five Below. It's powered by batteries. You just switch it on and then it connects. I also ordered a screen protector and a case from Amazon. So while I'm going back on Amazon to search for the case that I meant to buy, I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the keyboard. It's super easy. As soon as you just power it on, then it automatically connects to the device. It can also connect to your phone. So these are the cases that I bought from Amazon, which this case is good for now, but I actually wanted one that kind of went like that. I wanted that case that can prop up in the front versus like in the back, like the one that I have. That's the one that I bought. But this, I think this is the one that I'm gonna get. Yeah. Okay, so just moving on to some of the features on the iPad. I already mentioned the Touch ID, but I'll just show you how you can set it up, and you can add, just like on your phone, you can add more than one fingerprint So I put my thumb when it is resting in the vertical position, and then when I have my iPad in the horizontal position. And with iOS 14, it has like these widgets now, so it'll tell me the charges on my devices. You can add more widgets or you can take it out and customize it. I have not yet. And then it also gives you the option to keep it on your home screen or to take it off your home screen. These are just a few of the apps that I have right now. Like I said, I don't have everything set up yet. A cool feature, the keyboard actually shrinks or enlarges, just if you want to shrink it to type easier. And another cool feature was the split screen. So at first it was a little hard to get it to work, but basically you just open up an app and then you're going to slide up for your dock and drag another app, and then it splits the screen. As you see, I still don't know how to do it like half and half, but I'm working on it.